friends, welcome back to yet another vlog. Today I'll be giving you the details about some of the biking gears which are essential. So some of us usually compromise on the gears. By doing so, we are actually compromising on our own safety. So I strongly recommend everybody to buy these gears. So they are available in different price segments in different safety levels. It totally depends upon which bike you're driving and what is your riding style. So if you are a safe driver, the level 1 is more than sufficient. And if you're a thrill seeker, then I would strongly recommend level 3. So yeah, let's not waste more time. I am heading out to pick up some of the gears. I will be giving you all the details. Firstly, I would want to buy a helmet. As you have seen in my previous videos, I have a half face helmet, but I also drive Hayabusa, so I need a full face helmet which is strong, light in weight, also not that expensive. So I'm exploring some options. I'll be giving you all the details, so please stay tuned. अच्छा खासा ब्रेकफास्ट तो खा लिया, अभी निकल पड़ा हूँ गियर्स लेने. सो आज कौन सा गाड़ी में जाएंगे यार. एक तो घर का चाबी तो लेना ही पड़ेगा. बाइक का ऑप्शन तो रूल आउट है. कार्स में जिसमें भी ज़्यादा बूट स्पेस है, सियाज में जाएंगे आज. तो सनग्लास और सैनिटाइज़र. हाँ, दिस रिमाइंड्स मी ऑफ द मास्क. अभी इसमें भी ऑप्शंस ये वाला ले लेंगे, N95. सो जस्ट रिमेंबर टू कीप योर कार सैनिटाइज्ड. सो अगर आपने आपके गाड़ी को किसी और को दिया था चलाने के लिए, बिफोर you touch the car, make sure you get it properly sanitized. There are many service providers nowadays available. I opted it from the Maruti authorized service provider, which is Kalyani. Got it done for under $400. It was a detailed sanitization what they have done, so totally worth it. So after exploring many stores, finally came to this store, the Moto Nation MT store, for my helmet. I have shared the bill for your reference. The second store which I visited was this Let's Gear Up, from where I picked all the gears. Back home after a long day of shopping. मेरी बीवी तो गुस्सा होने वाली है, क्योंकि इतना टाइम तो कभी भी मैंने उसके साथ उसके शॉपिंग में तो नहीं बिताए. So what it was a good day spent, well spent. I found quite some stuff, very useful ones. Very happy. तो देखिए क्या क्या शॉप किया हमने. एक तो पूरा सूट ले ली राइनॉक्स का. एक ये अच्छा वाला टैंक बैग मिल गया. इसका कंपार्टमेंट्स भी अच्छे हैं एंड स्टोरेज स्पेस भी बहुत अच्छा था. सो फाउंड इट रियली रियली गुड. पिक्ड इट अप. देन आई वेंट टू रिलायंस डिजिटल. पिक्ड अप दिस cool gadget, action camera. It's a Hero 8 Black GoPro. So I picked up the one with the bundle. Basically it comes with some of the accessories which are very handy and useful. ये वाला लिया है. ये मुझे पड़ा अप्रॉक्सीमेटली 36,000 का. तो इट्स एक्चुअली वर्थ इट. ये अगर आप ऑनलाइन देखेंगे, देयर आर कपल ऑफ वेबसाइट्स विच आर सेलिंग इट फॉर 32,000, बट आई डोंट नो हाउ ऑथेंटिक दोज आर. लाइक IamStudent.com ऐसा कुछ है. एंड जैसे कि मैं बोल रहा था कि हेलमेट लेनी है, तो आई पिक्ड अप दिस फुल फेस हेलमेट. ये MT का है एंड मैं इसके बारे में और जानकारी दूंगा, तो स्टे ट्यून्ड. So this is the first product that I picked today. It's the Rhinox jacket and the Rhinox trouser. It's known as the Storm Evo 2. Comes under the safety level 2. So as I said, it comes under the safety category 2, which means we get the shoulder protection with slider, the arm protection, the chest protection. It's a foam based chest protection, padding are pretty thick and nice. Comes with a water resistant jacket inside and a thermal if in case you're planning to go to a very cold kind of a place like Leh Ladakh and all that. So this would become very, this would come very handy. So this jacket costed me about this costed me 9,750 and the trouser costed me about 6,750. So I must say it's pretty worth it, because any other brand for the same safety levels would have costed me close to 30 grand, and I've spent about 15,000 on this. So totally safe, there's no compromise on safety. Again, in the trousers you have this knee protection, which is foam and gel based, which is pretty good, and you also have the thigh protection. So yeah, pretty much safe, all set for the rides. So the second product today I picked was this. It is a tank bag from Rhinox again. So yeah, after kind of exploring many options, I feel like Rhinox is one product which is tough, build quality is good, also very kind of reasonable in pricing. So this tank bag in any other brands would have costed me like even 7,000-8,000, but I got this for under 4K. So this has three level of magnetic holders for your tank. Also you can strap it around. So has many compartments, 1, 2, 3, 4, and this transparent one, if in case you're navigating through your phone, you can keep your phone here. It's also water resistance, has a good capacity of 7 liters storage inside. Let me show you. So all in all, a very good product. The third product I picked is this. Yes, I've waited very long for this. It's a GoPro Hero 8. I picked up from Reliance Digital. I picked up the bundle because I get some accessories along, which is very useful. This costed me about 36,000, which is worth it, worth every money spent, hopefully. Because I did quite some research. So for this product I'm going to make another video altogether, because it's a wide and vast field and there's a lot to explain. So stay tuned. My next video will be on this GoPro 8 Hero 8 Black. And the last and final product that I picked is this helmet I was talking about. I wanted a full face helmet, so I've picked up this MT helmet. So this comes under the Blade category. So let me show you the helmet. So this is the helmet I finalized. This is the MT helmet. Comes under the Blade category. By Blade I mean the safety levels. So this helmet comes under the category 3, which is almost the safest one. Comes with 3-stage air inlet and outlet. So that was 1, 2, and the third one here at the rear. So very few helmets have this, the third air inlet and outlet. So the shape of the helmet, as you can see, has a very good aerodynamic shape. So this is going to keep intact. I love the cushioning, it's pretty good. So all in all, a very nice product for this price tag. Yes, 6,600. I picked it up from MT showroom in Lal Bagh Main Road, which is adjacent to JC Road. I'll be sharing you the address as well. And friends, this is the last and final product that I picked up for the day. The gloves from Rhinox again, known as the Air GT Motorsport gloves. Pretty good protection for your knuckles and well cushioned for your palms. Very comfortable to drive. I like the finish. So the bikers must be knowing, at times we get sweaty if the gloves are not of good quality, and it really gets wet if there is very less that the gloves can breathe. So you can see there are enough pores. That means the gloves breathes well, and we don't sweat much. So all in all, a very good product again from Rhinox. I must thank Rhinox because they are giving us quality products which can be compared to bigger brands like Alpenstar and all that. They are way more expensive than these products. So as you can see, the products that I picked, if I calculate all together, I have spent about 15 grand for the jacket, trouser, and about 2.5 grand for the gloves, which is around 17,500, all from Rhinox. So had I picked this from any other brand like Alpenstar, I would have ended up shelling only close to 50-60,000 just for these stuff. But by going with Rhinox for the same price, I also added GoPro 8 Black and also the MT helmet. So we should be wise while spending. So yes, definitely please explore options when you are buying the products. You need to go to the right showroom because you will get the genuine products. And always keep one thing in mind, that these big brands don't give offers. So if you see somebody selling it for 25% off, 50% off, then there is something definitely wrong about it. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned, stay safe. I request all the bikers to do consider buying gears. Safety should always be our first priority, especially the ones, sometimes I see people driving super bikes without the helmet. So please go for a full face helmet. It can be of any brand, any make. Make sure you stay safe. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned, guys. Stay tuned for my next video, which is on the GoPro 8 Black. I'll be giving you the complete details about this product. Please like and subscribe my channel.